Welcome to KTDS YouTube channel. The topic is famous person around the world was an Indian actor who was one of the most notable and important figure in Indian cinema and theatre. He acted in more than 450 films and established himself as one of the greatest and iconic actors in Indian cinema. Amrish Puri was known for his acting versatility, but these villainous roles earned him more recognition. His dominating screen presence and distinctive deep voice made him stand out among other actors of his generation. Amrish Puri was worked in art cinema. He won 3 Filmfare Awards for Best Supporting Actor in 8 nominations. He also held most Filmfare Awards for Best Villain nomination. He born 22 June 1936. Amrish Puri was active in art cinema, including films by Sam Benegal and Govind Nihalani. He also appeared in supporting roles, of which he won Filmfare Award for Best Supporting. Puri was active in art cinema, including films by Sam Benegal and Govind Nihalani. He also appeared in supporting roles, of which he won Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actor 3 times. Some of his notable roles were Phool Aur Kaate, Gardish, Diwali, and etc. In international films, he was best known as Moola Ram in the Steven Spielberg and Jude Law's Hollywood film Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom, and as Baba Abdullah Haji Adab, president of the Natal Indian Congress in reached autobiography Gandhi. Amrish Puri early life. Amrish Lal Puri was born in a Punjab Hindu family in Navsara, Punjab, to Lala Nihal Chand and Beth Kaur. He later moved to Simla for studies and completed his BA from BM College, Simla. He had 4 siblings: elder brother Chaman and Madan, elder sister Chandrakanta, and a younger brother Hari. He was the first cousin of actor in single KL cycle. Amrish Puri was married to Meera Devakar and has 2 children with her son Rajiv Amrish Puri, who was married to Meena Puri, and daughter Namrata Puri, married to C. Bhagwa. He recalling the last day, his son Rajiv revealed that Puri suffered an accident during the shoot of Gadda Dhannu Jal Dekha in Himachal Pradesh. Her patient eye suffered serious injury, due to which he had to undergo frequent bone transplantation. Amrish Puri joined the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh at the age of 15 while living in Simla. He became actively involved, eventually serving as the Mukh of his local Sakh. Puri credits the shaping his character and work ethic, which maintained throughout his theatre and film career, keeping it grounded in an industry which was often criticized for moral decline. Amrish Puri acted in more than 450 films between 1967 and 2005, most of which were commercially successful, and he is regarded as one of the most successful villains in Bollywood. Amrish Puri's family had previous films Connection, The Singer, and actor K.L. Sehgal, one of the pioneers of Indian cinema, was Puri's first cousin. He inspired the film of their cousin Puri. Older brothers Sharman and Madan moved to Mumbai in the 1950 to try their luck in films, writing work with character actors. Puri likewise came to Mumbai in the mid-1950 to try his luck, but failed his first screen test. However, he managed to land an stable job with the Improved State Insurance Corporation, the government organization, and his hobby of acting by becoming a part of an Amritsar Natak Mandali stage group. His group often performed at the PT Theatre in Delhi by Natak Academy of 1979. This theatre recognition saw him led to work in television advertisement and eventually films at the age of 40. He was in the early 1970s and he had a little dialogue in his first few films, despite a bad voice that would be source of him in the later years. With a small appearance from him, Puri continued his government job in order to support his family. Towards the 1970s, Amrish Puri worked supporting role frequently represented by henchman of the main antagonist, the super hit movie Hum Panchi. 1980 was the first film in which he played the main villain. His acting, performance, personality, and voice were first noticed and posted in this film after the curious cast as the main villain of other movie, who went on to work in Hindi, Kannada, Marathi, Punjabi, Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil, and even Hollywood films. His main field was Hindi cinema. In 1982, Amish Puri played the main villain Jagovir Chaudhary in the Subhash Bhai superhit film. And Dilip Kumar and Amitabh Bachchan 1983 regarded and cast him as the main villain. Usha in the successful movie Hero. Puri regularly started and subsequent high films. He is known international audience for his role as the main alien in around 7 spirit in George Indiana Jones and Temple of Doom and Gandhi, Muslim and partisan South Africa and East autobiography Gandhi for Indiana Jones. Movies shaped his head, keeping such a sensation that he keeps his head at theatre after. He was successful in a villain role in the 1990s. His screen presence and base voice moved to the role stunt and outcome was the villain character of the day. In this role, he was best remembered Mugambo in Mr. India, Jaguar in Vighata, Thakral and Mary Jang, Bachchan and etc. Amish Puri, the 1990 until his death in 2005, he was also featured in Potential supporting film roles from this notable Dearly Dulhan and Lizange, Fuller Kateka, and etc. He received the film's Best Supporting Actor award Mary Jang and Versa. Amish Puri was diagnosed with plastic syndrome, rape from blood cancer, and had undergone brain surgery. For his condition, he was admitted to the Hindi hospital in 2017 for his condition with a frequent movements while at the blood beginning of the brain. After some time, his spirit into coma. He died around 7 and 2 January 2005. His body was put on his hands. 13 January 2005.